Hey, welcome back everybody. So we've got the pellet stove in the house. Ran the Tractor Supply. Got the board to set it on. And now it's just trying to get it all assembled and get the hole in the wall to go outside. So I got this 4-inch and plan is it's going to be on this wall right here. Okay everybody, we're getting ready to drill the hole into the side of the house. So excited. Alright, let's get you set up here.
Don't do that.
We gotta get the hole.
You're gonna make a mess. You're cracking the wall. Mommy, I don't want him to crack the wall.
I'd advise you to shut your computers and stuff off there because the amps that this thing will take. All right.
Stop! That hurt my ears. That hurt my ears.
Okay. Wish me luck.
You need help?
Well, that'd be nice.
Dad, I want to do that.
Huh?
I want to do that now.
Are you supposed to have that on there?
Dad, I want to do that.
You have to go upstairs. I had to get hearing protection. What a job. Let's see what the outside looks like. Ah, ain't too bad. Clean that up with the cover or something. Let's get the rest of it done. But I need to get this, sorry, am I been yelling at you? I need to get this bit and hammer drill back over to Grand Rental. Thank you, Josh at Grand Rental, for teaching me about the breakaway and getting that crowbar out like that and hitting it. All right, everybody. Fast tracked a little bit. Levi and I went over and helped Pilgrim Rest Farm do castrate three pigs. So we got that knocked out. Obviously got Levi picked up from school. Ran home here real quick and trying to get this pellet stove hooked up. So anyway, show you what we got here. I went ahead and I just got everything loosely fitted in there, nice and tight. Obviously cleaned off the stove, put it back in place. We're cleaning the floor, the concrete, dusting everything up. So Levi's going to work on wiping the floor down. Miss Emerson is going to wipe the top off with some Clorox wipes, and I am going to seal the joints on the flue there with some furnace cement, 2000 degree Fahrenheit metal masonry black. So just to be extra safe. Mama don't want to smell smoke in the house, I can tell you that. So I'm gonna set y'all here for a minute and we'll go with what we got. All right. Here you go, Michelle. You need one or two?
Just two.
Just two?
Yeah.
All right, here. Oops. There you go. Huh. Still got a little bit of blue coat on my hands from when we castrated the pigs a little bit ago. But that's okay. All right, did you get, let's see here.
Ciao, Boogie. Ciao. Emerson.
There you go. Now, I'm also going to paint this with some high heat black paint down the road, just not right now. Just make sure y'all get the
What?
seals really good. We gotta make sure we got.
Yeah, cause you take long. Uh-oh.
All right, watch out, huh? Just.
I have to get all the paint off it. Oh, I guess you don't want me to help.
No, I didn't say I didn't want you to help. I was just asking you to watch out for a second so I can
Well, I don't even know this. It's how first you place it.
make sure everything's sealed.
I will. Before I got the meat. Oh, Dad, you just out with a paint on it. I'm almost done with this.
Y'all come on, let's go outside and
I'm not going to mess up with you.
show you. Okay, let me show you what we got going on with the exterior. Here we are. Oh yes, good night.
Ireland.
I'm super excited.
So am I. Can't wait to be warm.
I'm not.
Well, if you're not, then you just want to be cold.
Huh?
You just want to be cold?
No, I want to be warm. I am starting to get fire ready.
All right, let me see your wipe real quick.
Sure.
Thank you.
No, good. These ones got paint on them, so not.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
All right, I'll use this one on my hands, okay?
See the paint.
Yep. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're showing 64.
I just gotta do one more wipe.
No. We'll get the sides back on it here later on. I just want to let it run for a little while. Make sure everything's good. All of our joints are sealed tight. Mama don't smell smoke. Mama smells smoke, y'all. We're done.
That one.
Anyway, we'll wait here for a few minutes and get us a flame.
Oh,
And actually,
well. I wait till you see the fire come back up.
y'all, we're in trouble. See that smoke coming out of that 90? I'm on it. Before she comes flying down the steps yelling at me.
Dad, I found two of my kinds of already with done.
We'll set the smoke on now.
Dad. I said it's going. Dad, the first is in the house right there. Right there. It's in the house.
So much smoke you can't tell where it's coming from.
Well, that's a fail. Yeah, close the basement door so Mama don't smell the smoke.
Stay up there.
Alright, y'all. We're going to let this burn for a bit, and I'm real happy with it so far. See how warm we can get it in the house.